Hello students, this is chemistry session for class 10th and today I am going to discuss some important questions related to board. So, let us see this question. A teacher provided acetic acid, water, lemon juice, aqueous solution of sodium hydrogen carbonate and sodium hydroxide to students in his school laboratory to determine the pH values of these substances using pH paper. One of the students reported the pH values of these substances as 3, 12, 4, 8 and 14 respectively. Which one of these values is not correct? Write its correct value stating the reason. This question was asked in 2019 board examination. So, let us see. Here the substances are acetic acid, and it has pH value 3, another is water, the given pH value is 12, lemon juice it has pH value 4 and aqueous solution of sodium hydrogen carbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate, it has pH value 8 and sodium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, it has pH value 14. So, let us see. Acetic acid, as we know, acetic acid, it is acidic in nature, it has pH value 3. So, it is the correct value. Water, it has pH value 12 and this value is incorrect. Okay? Let us discuss why this is incorrect. Lemon juice, as you know, lemon juice is acidic in nature and the given pH value is 4. So, it is reported correctly. Sodium hydrogen carbonate, as you know, solution of sodium hydrogen carbonate is basic in nature. So, its value is correct, and sodium hydroxide is a strong base. So, its pH value 14 reported, this is correct. So, out of all these substances, the incorrect value, incorrect pH value which is reported by the student, that is of water. Okay. So, which one of these values is not correct? Water, the pH value of water is not correct. Okay. Write its correct value stating the reason. Its correct pH value is 7 because water is neutral. Okay, because water is neutral, so its correct value is 7. So this is the answer, and you can recap. Acetic acid, it is acidic in nature, so its pH value is 3 because it is acidic nature, so it is correct. Water, it is neutral, so its pH value is incorrect because neutral solution has pH value 7. Lemon juice, it is acidic, so its pH value, which is 4 reported, it is also correct. Sodium hydrogen carbonate, it is a basic solution, basic in nature, so its pH value is 8. This is also correct. Sodium hydroxide, it is a strong base, so its pH value reported by the student is 14. So this is also correct. So water has incorrect value which is reported by the student. So the pH value of water is not correct, and its correct pH value is 7 because water is neutral in nature. Now you can take a screenshot of it. Now you can see here, you can correct its correct pH value. Now another question is, sodium hydrogen carbonate is a basic salt, justify the statement giving reason. Okay. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is a basic salt. Justify the statement giving reason. How is it converted into into washing soda. This is the complete question. The question is, sodium hydrogen carbonate is a basic salt. Justify this statement by giving the reason. How is it converted into washing soda? So, let us see. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is a basic salt. When 1 or 2 drops blue litmus solution is added to it, it turns into blue. Okay. When we add 1-2 drop of blue litmus solution, when it is added to it, it turns into blue. It shows that it is basic in nature. And one more thing, aqueous solution of sodium hydrogen carbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate, you can see here NaHCO3 plus H2O. In its aqueous solution, it forms sodium hydroxide NaOH plus H2CO3. Okay. So, when we take aqueous solution of sodium hydrogen carbonate, then it forms NaOH and H2CO3. Since NaOH, this is sodium hydroxide, is a strong base, and H2CO3, it is actually carbonic acid. It is carbonic acid. So, H2CO3 is a weak acid, So, aqueous solution of sodium hydrogen carbonate is basic in nature. Okay. So, we have two things to justify this statement. When we add 1 or 2 drop blue litmus solution to it, means to the solution of sodium hydrogen carbonate, then it turns in, when we take red litmus solution, when it is added to it, then it turns into blue. Okay? And because red litmus solution when changes to blue, that shows basic nature. And one more thing, aqueous solution of sodium hydrogen carbonate contains sodium hydroxide, which is a strong base, and carbonic acid, which is weak acid. So, the overall solution is basic in nature. Okay? So, these two things justify that sodium hydrogen carbonate is a basic salt. And how is it converted into washing soda? As you have studied, first of all, by strong heating sodium hydrogen carbonate. When it is strongly heated, it changes into Na2CO3 plus CO2 plus H2O. Okay? This is anhydrous sodium carbonate, and in second step, by adding water and recrystallization gives washing soda. Okay? The chemical reaction can be written as Na2CO3 plus 10H2O, it gives Na2CO3 dot 10H2O. This is washing soda. So, first of all, sodium hydrogen carbonate means baking soda. It is strongly heated, and so we find anhydrous sodium carbonate, and then by adding water to it and by recrystallization we find washing soda. So, the chemical reaction is Na2CO3 plus 10H2O, it gives Na2CO3 dot 10H2O, means sodium carbonate decahydrate, which is washing soda. Now, you can take a screenshot of it. As you know how to balance a chemical reaction, so you can very easily balance this equation. Here Na2CO3, 2 sodium atom, so you can multiply it by 2. So, while writing chemical equation, you have to balance the chemical equation always. So, if any reaction is unbalanced, you can balance them. Okay. Now next question is, name the acid produced by bee sting how does rubbing how does baking soda gives relief? Okay. Name the acid produced by bee sting. How does baking soda gives relief from pain and irritation? So, what is the acid? The acid is methanoic acid. Methanoic acid. It is injected during bee sting. And how does baking soda gives relief from pain and irritation? Baking soda is a base, so by rubbing baking soda gives relief from pain and irritation. Because it neutralizes the effect of acid. Okay. So bee sting contains methanoic acid, and since baking soda is a base, so by rubbing baking soda gives relief from pain and irritation because it neutralizes the effect of acid. Now this class is over today, and we will discuss some more questions in the next class. Thank you, students.